5-star service at One Star Drive.
Introducing the 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Mercedes-Benz of Laguna Niguel.
5-star service at One Star Drive.
Visit us at One Star Drive or mblaguna.com.